Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we had discussed Fermat's theorem with two examples. Now in this session, we will discuss the Fermat's theorem with one more example. We already know what do you mean by Fermat's theorem. If P is a prime number, A is any positive integer that does not divisible by P. Then Fermat's theorem is A power P minus 1 congruent to 1 mod P or A power P congruent to A mod P. This is the Fermat's theorem. We already discussed in the last session. Now we will consider one example. What is example? N is equal to 29 power 202. M is equal to 13. The question is, find the remainder of N and M by using the Fermat's theorem. That is, the procedure is simple. 29 power 202 mod 13. So the same thing, how do we solve? Convert 202 in terms of 13. And remember one more thing. Here we can simplify the problem at any level. That means generally this 29 is less than 13. You can make this power, that means A power P minus 1 mod P. Generally the value of A is less than or equal to P. But here the value of A is greater than P. Even though we are using 29, then there is no problem. But you can convert into smaller than 13. How? Simply perform modulus operation. That is like this. 29 mod 13 is equal to C. That means in the simple term, 29 is congruent to 3 mod 13. If you are using either 29 or if you are using either 3, both produces the same result. So instead of 29, I am using 3. So 3 power 202 mod 13. So 202 is converted in terms of 13. So 3 power 13 into 15 plus 7 mod 13. The same procedure, A power m plus n. It is converted as A power m into A power n. This is m, this is n. And one more thing, A power m into n. It is also written as A power m whole power n. So I am writing like this. 3 power 15 whole power 13 into 3 power 7 mod 13. So this is A, P and P. So A power P mod P. What is the answer? A power P mod P, A. So 3 power 15 into 3 power 7 mod 13. Simply 3 power 22. So, sorry, A power P, yes, 3 power 22, that is right. 3 power 22 mod 13. Again 22 is written like this, 13 into 9. So simply here the value as 3. 3 into 3 power 9 mod 13. Finally, what is the value? 3 power 10 mod 13. Now the question is, here if the value of the power is greater than or equal to P, then it is easy to convert. But here 10 is less than 13. Now we have different ways to solve the problem. I will explain two ways. I will explain two ways to solve the problem. The first one is convert manually 3 power 4 into 3 power 6 mod 13. 3 power 4 in the sense 81. So to simplify the operation, 81 mod 13. What is mean by 81 mod 13? So 81 mod 13 in the sense 78. That is 3. 3 into 3 power 6 mod 13. Again, this is converted like this. 3 into 3 power 4 into 3 square mod 13. 3 power 4 mod 13. Remember, you can apply the modulus operation any number of times. That is not a compromise. So for 3 power 4 mod 13 already calculated. That is 8. 3 into 3 square mod 13. So again 3 power 4. Again 3 power 4 in the sense 81. 81 mod 13. The finally the answer is 3. This is one way to solve the problem, a simple way. Or if you want another way, 3 power 10 mod 30, you can write like this: 3 square power 5 mod 13, 3 square in the sense 9, 9 power 5 mod 13. So you know the formula, 9 mod 13 is equal to congruent to, by subtracting 9 from 13, the value is 4. So it is also written like this, minus 4 mod 13. So 9 is written as minus 4 also to simplify the answer. So 9 is the large number compared to 4. To simplify the answer, 9 is converted into 4, minus 4 mod 13. So for example, minus 4 into minus 4 power 4 mod 13, to make the power as an even number, that is to reduce the minus. Simply, what is the answer? Minus 4 in the sense, minus 4 power 4 in the sense, 4 into 4, 16, 16 square. Simply the answer is 16 square mod 13. Again, 16 square in the sense, 16 into 16, 256. 256, that means in a simple term, you can write like this: 16 mod 13. The answer is simply 3. So minus 4 into 16 mod 13, answer is 3. So you can write 3 square. You got the point? Step by step, you can reduce the large number into smaller number. So minus 4 into 9. Minus 4 into 9 mod 13. Now, minus 4 is written as 9. So 9 into 9 mod 13. 9 into 9 in the sense 81. 81 mod 13 is 3. So this is the final answer, whatever the way we are using. So you can follow any number of ways to implement the problem. This is the Fermat's theorem with example. Thank you.